I will share with you on some tips how to conduct an effective FMEA or failure mode effect analysis, which will prevent or minimize failure risk in this video. Item number 1 would be to understand the customer well. The customers must be known, which include who are the customers, how do they use your product, why they need your product, and what is their requirement. This will help you to understand and connect the dots on what are the critical parameters or items that customers are looking for and you will need to monitor when you are making your product, so that the potential cost and the severity of the failure is from the customer's perspective. For an effective FMEA to happen, there should be a team from cross-functional areas that is making the FMEA itself. You have to establish a team with members from multiple discipline functional area, and best is to include customers where applicable. This will give you a different perspective from various subject matter on the potential failure mode, cause, and what other actions can be taken. Then only you can have a balanced view on the FMEA. A facilitator is also needed, someone who has already done several FMEA, as there will be pitfalls as analysis are unfold. Someone that is experienced in FMEA ways will save you the considerable amount of time and will avoid the potential conflicts among the team members. The third item in the list would be documentations. Ensure that the FMEA team compile all the necessary documentations to understand the current situation, and this will include the product specs, the drawing SOP, the failure data, the corrective action report, sample parts, customers' usage, environment, etc., to help relate the failure mode to the process or the design of the product. The next step is to leverage on artificial intelligence to establish a comprehensive FMEA. Do bear in mind you can only tap into artificial intelligence for certain steps of FMEA to optimize the effectiveness of the FMEA. As we know, AI is not 100% accurate, and skillful navigations of integration AI in FMEA is needed. If you are interested to master these skills, integration of AI, do explore my FMEA course. I have seamlessly woven AI into specific FMEA steps, and I will guide you where and how to wield AI effectively. I have also highlighted which FMEA steps are best left to human expertise. It's about achieving the perfect blend of technology and human insights to achieve an effective FMEA. Do check out this course in the description for a special coupon rate of just USD $12.99. I will share the secrets of effective supplier FMEA audits and FMEA Industrial 4.0 in this course. Do bear in mind that an FMEA is a living document and update is needed to capture the latest changes and the latest potential risks. Therefore, it is very important that the FMEA documents gets revisited whenever there is changes. An effective FMEA could prevent an accidents and even disasters from happening. An effective FMEA should also be driven from top down in the management and from the customer's perspective. Do leave me a comment on which tips that you will have challenges in from what I've shared with you to make an effective FMEA, and maybe I will make a video on how to overcome your challenges in the future. Do subscribe to my channel to gain more insights on how to apply quality tools effectively for you to prevent and achieve consistently good products. I hope to see you in my future video, and thanks for watching.